Okay, so picture this. It's early morning. The whole village is still sleeping. Everything is quiet. The air is cool. The sky is soft orange. And then, a bird flies. Just one small bird. It sits on an old banyan tree every single day, right in the middle of the village. Same tree, same branch, every morning. But today is different. There is a thin little thread tied around the bird's leg, and that thread, it is connected to a small stone on the ground. So the bird tries to fly. It beats its wings. 1, 2, 3 times. It tries so hard. But it can't go far. The stone pulls it back, again and again. Oh, that's sad, right? The bird is not weak. The bird wants to fly, but something is holding it down. So there is this old gardener. He walks past. He sees the bird. He stops. He looks. He understands. And very gently, he cuts the thread. The bird pauses, just for 1 second, like it can't believe it, like, wait, am I really free? Then it takes a deep breath and flies straight up into the sky, gone. The old man turns to a young boy standing nearby. He looks at him and says slowly, "Son, this thread is not on a bird's leg." The boy looks confused. This thread is in a person's mind, and its name is wasted time. That is deep, right? Hello! Welcome back to Mindfluent Path. Today, I'm so excited for this episode. A small story can change your life. Listen and learn English fluently. Okay, so the boy's name is Leo. 19 years old, lives in a small town, has a mom, a dad, a little brother, and one old bicycle, which he rides all day, every day, round and round the village. No job, no goal, no dream. Leo always says the same thing. Oh, there is so much time. I'll do it later. Studying? Later. Finding work? No rush. Learning something new? From tomorrow, I promise. Ha! From tomorrow. We all know that feeling, right? Tomorrow comes, and then another tomorrow. 1 month passes, then 6 months, then a whole year. And Leo? Still on that bicycle, still going nowhere. His mom watches from the window every day. She never says anything, but her eyes, oh, her eyes are so sad. She just sighs quietly and goes back inside. One evening, Dad calls Leo inside. He is sitting at the table. He has an old diary in his hands. The diary is worn out. The pages are yellow. Some pages have tears on them, and not just from water. Dad holds it carefully, like it is something precious. He looks at Leo and says softly, "Leo, I need you to do something for me today." Leo sits down. "Okay, sure, Dad. What is it?" Dad slides the diary across the table. "Take this diary. Go to old Sam, the oldest man in our village. Show him this, and ask him, how much is it worth?" Leo picks it up, looks at it, turns it over. "This old diary? Okay. I mean, sure, why not?" He puts it under his arm and walks out. Now Sam, wow. Everyone in the village knows him. He is maybe 90 years old, maybe more. Nobody really knows. He lives in a small room, walls full of books, a little oil lamp always burning, and always, the soft smell of incense in the air. Leo knocks on the door. "Come in," says a slow, warm voice. Leo goes inside. He sees Sam sitting near the window, eyes half closed, like he is somewhere else in his thoughts. Leo says, "Sam, my father sent me. He wants to know, how much is this diary worth?" Sam slowly opens his eyes. He takes the diary with both hands. He opens it, page by page, very, very slowly. And something beautiful happens. His face changes with every page. One page makes him smile softly. Another page makes his eyes go wet. One page, he even lets out a small laugh. Then he closes it. He holds it to his chest for a moment. And then he says, "This diary has no price." Leo blinks. No price? Really? But why? Because the time written in these pages, that time is gone. No money can bring it back. Not 100 rupees, not 1,000,000. This diary is just a memory of time that has already flown away. Leo feels something strange in his chest. He doesn't fully understand, but something is touching him inside. He thanks Sam and walks back home quietly. Next morning, Dad calls again. "Did you go?" he asks. "Yes, Dad." "Good. Now, go again." Leo's eyes go wide. "Again?" "Yes, but this time, ask Sam something different. Ask him, if someone had all the time that was inside that diary, what would that be worth?" Leo stares. The time inside it, not the diary itself? Exactly. But Dad, how do I even ask that? That's such a weird question. Dad just smiles. Go find out. Leo reaches Sam's door again, knocks. "Oh, you are back," Sam says with a warm smile. Come, sit down." Leo sits. He asks the question. Sam is quiet for a long moment. Then he says, "Ah, now that is the right question." He leans forward slowly. His old eyes are bright and clear. "Son, I have seen rich people, I have seen poor people, and you know what I notice? Both of them waste time. The rich man says, 'I have money, things can wait.' The poor man says, 'I have nothing, what's the point?' Both are wrong. Both lose the same thing." Leo listens, really listens. "Have you ever watched a bird in the morning?" "Yes," Leo says slowly. "The bird does not think about yesterday. It does not worry about tomorrow. It just flies. It sings. It lives that one day completely." Leo feels something move inside him. People have brains, yes, but that brain makes them live in the past or the future, never today, never now. Sam pauses, looks straight into Leo's eyes. "Your diary is still empty, son. Every single page. Do you understand what that means?" Leo's throat feels tight. "It means I still have time?" "It means you have a gift. An empty page is the most powerful thing in the world. The question is, what will you write on it?" And right there, something breaks open inside Leo. Not in a sad way, in a good way. Like a window opening, like fresh air rushing in. His eyes fill up. He blinks hard. He whispers, "Thank you, Sam." The old man pats his hand gently and smiles. Leo walks home, slowly, thinking. He tells his dad everything, every word Sam said. Dad listens quietly. When Leo finishes, Dad's eyes are wet too. He puts his hand on Leo's shoulder. "I didn't tell you to go there to teach you a lesson, son. I sent you there so you could feel it. Some things cannot be explained. They have to be felt." Leo nods. He can't really speak. That night, he can't sleep. He goes outside, alone. He sits under that big banyan tree, the same one where he saw the bird in the morning. He sits there in the quiet, dark night. And for the first time in years, he really, truly thinks. How many mornings did I sleep through? How many evenings did I just waste? How many tomorrows never came? He feels sad, genuinely sad. But then, Sam's voice comes back to him. "Your diary is still empty." And slowly, a small smile comes to his face. Then a bigger smile. He looks up at the sky, takes a deep breath, and decides, tonight the thread breaks. Okay, so guess what? 3 years later, Leo runs a small business, a digital marketing agency, right there in his little town. He gives jobs to 6 people from his own village. 6. He is building a new house for his mom. And every morning, he wakes up at 5 a.m., not because someone forces him, not because of an alarm even, just because he wants to. He loves his mornings now. His mom still watches from the window sometimes. But now, her eyes are not sad anymore. They are full of light, happy tears, the best kind. Leo still goes to the banyan tree sometimes, sits there, alone, quiet, and smiles to himself. Because he remembers. He remembers the thread. He remembers the bird. He remembers the empty diary. And he knows exactly when everything changed. Okay, friends, can I be honest with you for a second? So many of us, right now, we are like Leo. We are sitting under that banyan tree, watching time fly past, waiting for the right moment. Sound familiar? No judgment. Really, no judgment at all. But here is the thing. Time doesn't wait for the right moment. Time is the moment. Rich, poor, young, old. Everyone gets 24 hours a day. Exactly 24. No more, no less. The only difference? How you use those hours. So today, not tomorrow, not Monday, not from next month. Today, ask yourself one simple question. What will you write in your diary today? Because your pages are still empty. And that is the most beautiful thing in the world. Fly, cut the thread, the sky is yours. Stop overthinking, start building. Bye!